Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you another update. Okay, this is a recent update you guys need to know, right? So in case you've not watched any of our videos, you can go to our playlist and watch a video on what data bundle for what teachers. Okay, now there's another update from that kind of what data bundle package. Okay, so I'm going to share that with you, and then I will show you an alternative way to get other cheaper bundles in case these bundles look or appear much expensive. Okay, a lot more expensive than what as they were previously, right? So in case you don't know how to buy the teachers bundle, just dial star 227 hash, right? And then dial 2234, right? So star 227 star 2234 hash, then you call. Now I've made a separate video on how to get the GES Staff ID. Okay, I'll link that in the video description. Okay, and then in case you don't know or don't have any code, just follow what I'm doing so that you get the packages. Okay, so that you can buy. Now with this approach, in case you've not bought the GES staff bundle for a very long time, you might not be able to use this approach to buy the data bundle. Okay, so right, let's proceed. So star 227 star 2234 hash. Okay, now when you get to this point, in case you've been buying this data for a very long time, just insert your telephone number. Okay, insert your telephone number, then you proceed. You can notice that these are the new packages. Okay, 8 gig is now 32 cedis. 16 gig is now 64 cedis. You can notice that, or you can notice that there have been some increment when it comes to what the prices. Okay, not long ago they increased the prices and reduced the data packages. Now they've increased the price and then somehow increased the bundle a bit, but not much. Okay, now let me show you an alternative way to get cheaper bundles. Now in case you are using MTN, okay, in case you are using MTN, you can watch any of our videos on our playlist on what technology hacks to get what new data codes to buy cheaper bundles. Or you can just go to what your MTN app and just buy this package. Okay, just buy this data package. Okay, just click on data and then buy what this bundle. Okay, it's 350 cedis. Now this will last for 2 months or so, depending on how much you use it. Okay, now in case you don't have much money, you don't have enough money, just go to our playlist on technology hacks and see. You'll notice that we've made several videos on how to buy cheap bundles. Now in case you're a Vodafone or now Telecel user, just check our video on what buying data bundle with what Vodafone or Telecel packages. Okay, you could find cheap bundles, or you could use what star 550 hash and the likes to get cheap bundles. Again, in case you need any video on data bundles, just check our playlist on technology hacks. I've made lots and lots of videos on data packages you can choose from, okay, and use. Okay, thanks for staying with me. In case you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future uploaded videos. I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.